Alright, what's up everyone? Alright, so I decided I'm going to make several parts of the Mustang rebuild. Not sure what my title, I guess I call it Mustang rebuild. So anyways, I got the car backed up in the driveway. Got it on the little plastic stands, what do you want to call those there, ramps. Yeah, motor's a little worn, drove around the block a couple times. Well, last time, for probably 2-3 months or so, however long this takes me to do it. So I think I should have enough room in the driveway. Pull the motor out. So I'm gonna probably start disconnecting probably the intake hose here. Take the battery out. I've already took in some pictures, and once I get more stuff off, I'll take some more pictures down places I can't get to. So I am going to reuse this, the upper intake, of course the alternator. I'm going to reuse the valve covers, headers. Gotta get this fan replaced. I showed that a couple videos ago. See that crack there? Pick up a new one of these. Wire I have tore apart and put a new water pump on. I get a new air mass sensor. This is a stock 55. It's been calibrated for 30-pound injectors. I'm gonna keep those in the car as well. Alright, so this is what I got accomplished today. Got the alternator out. Got the compressor unbolted. I think I need to take this line off. I got all the antifreeze drained. Got the oil drained. I'm gonna pull it off that piece of crap fan. So that's all we're gonna do today. So I guess I'll get back after it Saturday. Hopefully have it ready to roll, get it pulled. And yeah, find me a tool. Take this, unhook this rail from the line. I guess it's back here. You see the regulator. So I guess I'll see once I get that intake off. Alright, so that's all I got for right now. Just a little update. So hopefully the next video you see it'll be us pulling his motor. Alright, see y'all later.